Alright guys, it's ALA weekend, so. Just about done here, 11:25. The only thing I have is treadmill, elliptical, and like this Bowflex looking thing. So, make do with what I got. Catch you guys on the floor. Alright, I'm super late, it's like 12:30. I'm gonna hit the con right now. Got my makeup on. Battle worn, Bakugo. Check it out there. Okay. Jeez, it's super bright. I need to bring sunblock. I'm gonna get, hopefully I don't get sunburn. Let's go.
Slow.
How's the con been?
So much fun. There's a lot of Kingdom Hearts cosplayers and it's really cute. Look at all the ribbons I've been getting.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I haven't been in a vlog since like Anime!
Oh wait.
Hi!
Hello. Hello sisters.
We're on our way to a shoot, guys. You too?
Alright, I know I said this was a tiny con, but that does not look like a tiny line. This con exercise ghosting, so you can't come to the, there's sections that blocked off compared to last year, so a lot of people that came to ghost, they had to buy the ticket. And so now there's a huge line. So if you're gonna come to ALA, buy your badge. It's the secret back entrance. Okay, so I somehow made it in through those doors. Not the right entrance, but I got lucky. What part of this convention center are we in? That's, what side is that over there?
We're in Ontario. I don't know what that is.
That's the exhibit center. And this over here is Artist Alley, no? First time here, right? What's your first impression?
I love it. I'm starting to feel like, after all the years I missed out, I'm thinking, I really did miss out. I should have came here a long time ago. So I actually found the booth right now, like right at 2 o'clock. So we're gonna start the meet and greet right now. Cool. Alright, so we're done with this meet and greet. It's really good. We're done. We're gonna get some coffee to Arsene Cyanide over there. She just disappeared behind the wall of hats. But now we're gonna go shoot with Darian right here. Give him some love.
Hello, remember me? Lorentz 0226. I heard that you guys really like me, so I'm here to replace Lorentz. Follow me for my Bakugo cosplay. Actually, I'm starting.
Check her out. She's getting famous now. She's gonna be a guest at
Yeah, I'm honored. Yay. I'm catching up to Lorentz.
friends, it's good. ALA is really near and dear to my heart, as well as SAC, of course, because this is where I met a lot of my friends that I'm hanging out with right now, just like Kawaii Bro and Fetch over there. So this is really cool. It's a good con, check it out definitely. I need to get out of this, get some food, and I think I'm gonna go to the panel like I said. So we'll see you guys. So you guys see, this is like 6 o'clock, your typical ALA.
Yo, like, subscribe to this guy. Both of them, like them. They're both very talented cosplayers. I was not paid by them. This is out of love.
This is ALA. I don't even know them.
Yeah, who are you guys?
This guy, subscribe to this guy. He's a really awesome cosplayer.
Okay. So it's about 7 o'clock right now. Steph and I, we're normies right now. And we're gonna head back to the con, so we're just at the hotel room. Alright, so last year I was too busy. I didn't get footage of this, but the one thing about SoCal cons is they have food trucks all around here, so that's really nice. Yeah. So we're gonna feed our stomachs.
They're good.
Good morning, it's about 9:43. It's the last day, Sunday. We're gonna check out right now. I'm just gonna go in a simple gym uniform about to go.
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet, no. 'Cause I just wanna stay there right next to you, babe.
All right, so you've been here to ALA last year.
Yes.
And you're here again. So I gotta ask, like, for everyone else that hasn't been to ALA yet, what keeps you coming back?
Okay, I definitely think it's because it's the kicker. It's the start of con season again.
Yeah.
You know, there's that weird dry period kind of in the fall where there's not really much cons going on.
Yeah.
But once ALA rolls around in January, it's, you know, that's the start. And
Yeah.
that's like the fire that really keeps everyone like, okay, it's time to crunch again. It's time to pump out all the cosplays. I think that's what really gets it going.
Yeah. It's a good kickoff, right?
It is.
Yeah.
It's a great kickoff.
Really cool. So if you guys definitely join us for ALA next year.
Maybe we can sleep in and skip work today. Then I'll make you scrambled eggs.
So I'm outside here where the food trucks was. I know on day 2 there wasn't many people out because of the rain and everything, but this is actually like the atmosphere I'm familiar with from last year. So you can see everyone's out here hanging out, and the Photog Alley is right here. So it's good to see that on the last day.
All work, no play, it's like we're running away.
All right, it's really good to see the crowd back out here. This is like ALA Revive, the real environment. Yeah. This is about 2 o'clock. We're gonna end the vlog here. It's been a pretty good con, pretty crazy. A lot of things happened. You guys heard about the fire, this after party getting closed down. But I'm happy that today was kind of like a revival of ALA last year. So everyone's hanging out there. But if, like everyone said, if you guys haven't checked out ALA, it's a small con. I think, in my opinion, it's a good con. And with that being said, I am gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for hanging out. See you guys in the next one.